Welcome to the first video in this basic electronics series. Today we will start with one of the most important ideas in electronics, electric current. The formula is simple. Current equals change in charge divided by change in time. In symbols, E equals delta Q over delta T. In simple words, current tells us how much electric charge passes through a wire every second. 1 ampere means 1 coulomb of charge per second. Before building the real circuit, let us check the idea in simulation. Here we have 5 volts DC source and a resistor connected in simple loop. The resistor value is 225 ohms. Using Ohm's law, current equals voltage divided by resistance. So 5 volts divided by 225 ohms gives about 22.2 milliamps. The simulation shows the same result. The resistor current is about 22.2 milliamps. The source current is negative only because of the spice sign convention. Now let us build the same idea on the table. We need a DC power supply, a resistor, a breadboard, some jumper wires and a multimeter. The important rule is this: to measure current, the multimeter must be connected in series with the circuit. Current must pass through the meter. Do not connect the multimeter in the current mode directly across the power supply. They would almost short the supply and can damage the meter fuse. Here I connect the resistor to prepare the circuit pass. The current will leave the power supply, pass through the resistor and meter, and return back to the supply. In real life, the result is not exactly the same as in simulation. The resistor has tolerance, the supply voltage is not perfect, wires have contact resistance, and the meter also affects the circuit. In this measurement, the current is around 19.7 milliamps. This is lower than the ideal simulation value, but that is normal for a real circuit. Now we can connect the measurement to the formula. If current is the amount of charge per second, then charge equals current multiplied by time. For example, if the measured current is 19.7 milliamp, that is 0.0197 amperes. During 10 seconds the charge is 0.0197 multiplied by 10. That gives about 0.197 coulombs of charge passing through the circuit during 10 seconds. So current is not just a number on multimeter, it is the rate of electric charge flow.